Welcome back to another video. This is One Love Lifestyle. I'm gonna cook up a stam today. This is cassava, otherwise called yucca. This is some green banana. I have scallion here. I have some fresh garlic. I have some thyme. I have tomato, and I have some onion, and I have a plantain. This is beetroot. I'm gonna cut this up small and I'm gonna cook it, not for long, like steam it for a few minutes. And over here, saltfish, I'm gonna cook it. So what I'm gonna make today, I'm gonna make fritters, cassava, otherwise called yucca, banana saltfish fritters. And I'm gonna steam some callaloo also. So stay tuned. I'm gonna get everything washed and then cut them up, and then I'm gonna show you guys how to cook, do the cooking. This is saltfish right here. It's on the stove. It's gonna cook. This is green banana. This is cassava, otherwise called yucca, sweet cassava rather. This is scallion. See, scallion. Some fresh garlic. I have some thyme here, fresh garlic, thyme, tomato, and plantain. I'm gonna fry the plantain when I'm finished. This is my tomato grater right here, and this is some callaloo. What I'm gonna make today, I'm gonna make saltfish fritters. I'm gonna make cassava, otherwise called yucca, banana saltfish fritters. So stay tuned and watch where I'm going. Take a look, people. See the yucca here? It's clean up. I'm gonna grate it. Stay tuned. See, peeps, I'm gonna grate the cassava. Take a look. See, I'm grated. So this is what I'm doing. When they grate it like this, and then I'm gonna peel the banana, and then I'm gonna grate the banana as well. So this is how I do it. And then I'm gonna mix everything together and take a look. See the grater here? See what it look like? So stay tuned. Please take a look. See the banana them, I peel them, so I'm gonna grate it now. See? I'm grating the banana to make the thing in the cassava, sweet cassava. See, people? See? Grate it. I have quite a few of them I'm trying to do. This one gonna be epic. See, still grating banana. See, still I grate some more banana. It's not finished. Doing about 7 small finger banana, depends on the portion of the cassava, otherwise called yucca you're doing. Stay tuned. See, I'm going to add this is garlic right here, fresh garlic. This is a scallion in the banana, the cassava, otherwise called yucca. Then I'm gonna add the saltfish. See the saltfish here? See salted fish? I'm gonna add the saltfish. Take a look. See saltfish. And then I'm gonna stir. And I'm gonna add a little bit of complete season, not a lot. A little bit of complete season. I'm gonna add a little bit of black pepper. See? Black pepper. Look a bit of black pepper right here. And look a bit of cayenne pepper. You don't have to add the pepper, but you know. Then I'm going to mix up everything together. See, stirring everything together. See, saltfish, banana, scallion, garlic, cassava, otherwise called yucca, and black pepper, cayenne pepper, and a little bit of complete season. Take a look. This is the beetroot. I already sliced, wash them and peel them, wash them and slice them up, and I'm gonna cook it. Gonna steam it and in the pot, steam it. Then I make it cook for about maybe 5 minutes. And I'm gonna add a little pinch of salt in it. Not a lot, very little. Because when I cook the beetroot like this, I drink the water. Stay tuned. I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil in the pot, in this one. Very little. And in this one, a little bit. This one is for the, to make the fritters. Not a lot of oil. Then I'm going to add, see? I'm gonna add fresh garlic, onion and tomato. This is the one for the to make the callaloo. It's coming up too much. I'm here stirring it. So this is the callaloo right here. So I'm gonna add the callaloo in. I did not freeze it, I just cut it up and put it in the fridge because I make sure I do it this way. This one didn't cut up. So I'm gonna add some, oh Lord, this one didn't cut, it's okay. Gonna cook just the same way. That one escaped. This cooking gonna be epic. Over here is the beetroot, see there? It's finished cook. I'm gonna like to turn it off. This is the callaloo right here. I'm gonna add some, little bit of complete seasoning in it. And a little bit of black pepper. See? Complete season. See? Complete season. I'll put it in there. A little bit of black pepper, see, black pepper. And I'm gonna turn it a little bit. And I'm gonna add a little bit of water in it also. See, water from the kettle, not a lot. And I'm gonna turn it around a little bit. Then I'm gonna cover it and let it steam. And I'm gonna add a little bit of salt. Very little salt. A little bit of salt. Don't cook with a lot of salt, very little. And I'm gonna turn it around and then I'm gonna cover it and let it steam. Over here now, I'm gonna put the stove was already on, but you know it's a little bit, didn't want it to get too hot. So meantime this cook steaming, this is already turned off. I'm gonna add some thyme in this here, see, some thyme. See, I'm gonna add this is the fritters. Let me add it in. The pot needs to be hot a little bit more. Take a look and see what I'm doing. See? Make sure I show you guys. And it's just banana and yucca, otherwise called cassava alone I put in it. Nothing else in it. No flour is not in it. Apart from the saltfish and the other ingredients them that I put in. See, very not too high, like turn it over. See, coming on nicely. I'm going to turn this right here. It's almost finished steam. Take a look, peep. They are finished. This is the first set. So I'm gonna place them on this first, and then I'm gonna put in another set in the pot. See what? Look at them. Looking yummy. Looking real good. Set again. One more set, people. See? One more set of it. Flat it down a little bit. Stay tuned. And this here is the second batch of fritters. This is the second set I'm doing, see? Nicely. I put them on a low, not too high fire, because I want them to done, you know, maybe fry more than 5 or some minutes. Make sure they're well done. So that's why I do it like this. Take a look. This is the second batch of fritters. Put it on here. Then get out the grease, a little bit of the grease first. Then I'm gonna place it on the other thing. See, viewers and subscribers, take a look. I'm gonna have, you can put this on the side with the beetroot, and then we can serve them and have it like a little brunch. I'm going to fry some plantain. Take a look. Plantain. Keep plantain, see? Cut it up. Fry the plantain them. Take a look. Take your time and fry. Viewers and subscribers, come to the end of the video. This is the fritters. See, plantain. And this is, when I serve it, like this is what it look like. And you know, see, this is what everything look like. Looking delicious. Hope you guys enjoy this video. And I'm gonna sample this right now. I'm gonna sample it. See, people, it's delicious. Very delicious, I'm not lying. This is some of the callaloo. Taste it also. Yummy. So I'm gonna try the cracker with the beetroot. See, people? Tastes nice. You can eat this like a little brunch. Viewers and subscribers, please remember to like, share, and to subscribe. And please give the video a like. See you next time.